right, good morning, Lunker Seekers. It was actually afternoon. It's a little after, it's like just before 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday here in February. I'm wanting to say it's what, the 10th? I think it's the 10th. Yeah, the 10th. So I went down to South Carolina, do some fishing on one of my ponds that I have access to, and threw a handful of baits. The only two lures that really worked for me today was the Ned rig, the weedless Ned rig. It's got the wide gap Ned rig head, jig head that was made for me by Kevin Hartley. Thank you, Kevin. And did that and used the TRD in the deal. And then the other three fish that I caught, I only caught 4 fish. The other 3 fish I caught was on a a chartreuse and white chatterbait, 1/2 ounce with a gold blade. And at first I was running a donkey snatcher from Venom Lures, and when I caught the big one, he ripped the donkey snatcher, and that was my last one. So I was out of the donkey snatcher, so I switched over to the Strike King, a Rage Tail Swimmer, the little 3.25, and that one was in the natural shag color, kind of silver on top. And but again, I caught 3 more bass off of that one. One of them is really nice. So this is kind of an outro. It's an intro that ends up being an outro, because it's going to lead right into my catches, and I'm going to save the biggest for the last. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Look at that. I'm about to measure her and weigh her. This was worth the trip right here. She choked it. 17 incher on a red crawl H2O Express lipless rattle trap, lipless crankbait. Bye bye, baby. Going back to the depths. All right, so that concludes a weekend of fishing, shooting birds, and birthdays. So busy weekend, Valentine's weekend. I'm always broke that weekend. I've got my daughter's birthday, my oldest son's birthday, Valentine's Day, and then when you add on the fact that we went bird shooting and went and did some fishing down in South Carolina, price of gas and everything, I'm tapped. So, but had a great weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please throw that thumbs up on there for me, and be sure and subscribe and ring that bell so that you can get notified of the next one that comes out. And if you haven't signed up for the February or March event, because today's the 15th, the March event ticket sales start today, so you can get in on that early. We are up to 12 anglers as of this morning for the February event. If we get 6 more before 11:59 tonight, that'll open up a third payout spot. But I'm pleased as punch that we got 2 payout spots, and that means all the funding from those 12 fees that are held back are going to go out to those anglers this month. Nothing's going to be held back for the finals. But that's not necessarily, a bad thing if that were to happen. It's just going to make the finals pot that much bigger. But I'd much rather give the anglers that are competing that month the funds. So, if we don't hit the 18 tonight, for February, then maybe March. Maybe March we'll hit 18 anglers. That would be awesome. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Tight lines. I'm out of here.